This is something bigger.
Nobody knows what happened to my dad.
Nice, I gotta work again.
Check it out.
That's my 7th birthday.
Check it out. Oh no!
Oh, aren't you like some big science girl? Tell me.
We're in a state of war.
Time I wasn't scared.
Prime Video is quietly loaded with sci-fi, but some of its best movies are easy to miss unless you go digging for them. From mind-bending indie concept to bigger studio releases that flew under the radar, mixed with smart ideas, wild twists, and seriously rewatchable stories. But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And we are only 919 subscriber far away to reach 1k subscriber, so please like the video and subscribe to channel. And I hope guys I will get 5000 subscriber from this video, so please subscribe the channel. Let's dive in. Number 10, Replicas.
Initiate. I brought you back.
Human cloning is banned.
I'm dead.
We stole millions of dollars worth of Bionic equipment.
I hope you're ready to go to jail.
This one feels like emotional sci-fi meets rock experiment thriller, and it's led by Keanu Reeves, which alone make it worth a look. Reeves plays a neuroscientist who loses his family in a sudden accident and refuses to let them stay gone. Using illegal cloning and consciousness transfer technology, he attempts to secretly bring them back. What starts as grief-driven desperation turns into a dangerous chain of lies, memory edits, and corporate threats closing in. The core hook is the ethical dilemma, not just resurrecting the dead, but choosing who gets restored and what gets erased. Number 9, Encounter. This one feels like grounded sci-fi, fused with a psychological road trip thriller, and it is powered by a gripping lead performances. The story follows a decorated marine who suddenly takes his 2 sons on the run, convinced a hidden alien parasite invasion is already underway. What starts like a secret war, sci-fi setup slowly shifts into something more intimate and unsettling. The real hook is the uncertainty. You are never fully sure whether you are watching a covert invasion story or a mind unraveling under trauma. The tone stays tense, emotional, and increasingly personal. Number 8, Parallel. Parallel centers on a group of startup friends who discover a hidden mirror that opens doors to alternate realities. The cast, who sail the slow moral slide from curiosity to corruption. Their plan starts simple: use time differences between worlds to finish their failing tech project. But it quickly escalates into identity swapped, idea theft, and ruthless choices. What makes this one click is how small the concept feels, then how wildly it out of control. It is clever, dark, and way more cutthroat than most total sci-fi stories. Number 7, Synchronic. The film follows 2 paramedics who start encountering bizarre deaths tied to a strange new designer drug. As the mystery deepens, the story shifts from case investigation to something far more personal and tragic. The time travel rules are weird, dangerous, and surprisingly grounded, which gives every jump real tension. The movie leans into friendship, sacrifice, and morality. It's thoughtful sci-fi that sneaks up on you emotionally and lands on time travel films. Number 6 was The Skies. This follows a determined teenager convinced her missing father was abducted by aliens, not lost. She teams up with a small, eccentric UFO research club to prove it. The movie leans into mystery, teamwork, and discovery rather than non-stop action. The tone feels earnest and adventurous with strong found family energy and steady escalation. It is the kind of sci-fi that builds curiosity first, payoff second. Not loud, not flashy, just a solid, heartfelt alien mystery. Number 5, Project Almanac. The film follows a group of high school friends who discover blueprint for a time machine and actually manage to build it. The crew first use it for small wins, fixing mistakes, boosting popularity, reliving big moments until the timeline start pushing back. The found footage style makes every jump feel immediate and unstable. Each correction creates bigger consequences. The tone shifts from playful to tense as reality starts breaking around them. It is messy, energetic, and dangerously ambitious. Number 4. The West of Night. The story follows a young switchboard operator and a late-night radio DJ who discover a strange audio frequency interrupting broadcast across town. What follows is a slow-burn UFO mystery told through long take, real-time dialogues and creeping dread. Instead of action scenes, the film uses voices, storage and silence to put you in. It is minimal on budget but massive in control and mood. Prove that great sci-fi doesn't need spectacle to feel huge. Number 3. Coherence. A dinner party is the last place you expect reality to break, which is exactly why this movie hits so hard. Coherence turns a simple night among friends into a full-blown multiverse nightmare when a passing comet triggers overlapping realities. Instead of big effects, the film uses confusion, paranoia, and tiny inconsistencies to rebuild dread. Characters start noticing doubles, swapped details, and choices that no longer line up. The brilliance is in the execution. Small setting, huge concept, zero hand-holding. Number 2. The Man from Earth. The film centers on a retiring professor who casually claims he's been alive for over 14,000 years. What follows is a tense feature-length debate as his academic friends try to dismantle his story using science, history, and religion. The hook is not action, it is the agreements. Every question raises a bigger implication about humanity, belief, and identity. This is sci-fi for people who love big concepts. Number 1. Mikey 17. The film stars Robert Pattinson in a dual role performances as a repeatedly cloned expendable worker on a hostile colony mission. And he absolutely carries the movie with range, wilderness, and dark humor. This one is smart, strange, funny, and worth your time while it is streaming.